Hello, we're back. There we go, guys. Once again, we're back in this special video that we're having right now. What are these pieces of blocks? Actually, guys, I'm giving you the hint or idea kung pwedeng gamitin dito, and later on you're gonna know what we're going to build. This is a pieces of block, and we're going to make that block like this one, look like this one, ano, para siyang pinaka base. Sa tingin ko, guys, meron akong idea kung anong ginagawa natin, ano. This is the base for a wooden trophy. Yes, you're definitely right, guys. I am going to make a wooden trophy. So later on, I'm gonna show you the process and the final outcome. So stay tuned for more of this one. This is a special project, guys. Nagpagawa sila ng trophy sa akin, so I have to do with this one. Hasta la vista, baby. So if you're wondering kung ano talagang ginagawa natin, and exactly, guys, in front of you is yung sample ng trophy na ginawa natin. This trophy is yung isa sa mga hiniwalay ko nun na paggawa sa akin, kasi this is my own design, guys. This is trophy for basketball, and it so happen na nagustuhan nila yung design, so magpapagawa sila ng isa sa mga ganyang design, and yung mga iba pa, guys, para sa mga beauty contest and volleyball. So you're gonna see later on yung mga ibang design na gagawin natin, pero more or less, guys, ito na yung pinaka outcome na magiging project natin sa isa sa mga trophy. What do you think, guys? Ako bang gumawa niyan? I'll be back for more of this one. This is a wooden trophy making. So yung mga blocks na nakikita nyo kanina, that wooden blocks, i-convert natin siya ng ganyan. Maproseso, guys, pero we have to do it. This is a wood handicraft. I'll be back for more of this one. Have a good day. Here we go, guys, for our final result for our video. Here we go with this one, with our finished project, guys. This is the wooden trophy that I made. So the first one is for the pageant, guys. Ito yung mga trophy para sa pageant. Ilagyan natin siya ng konting decoration, kasi yung original form nito, guys, is plain lang, pero as you can notice, guys, nilagyan natin siya ng lining, kaya decorated designs. And here we go with the second layer. Ito yung mga para sa basketball, guys, with different sizes. midget, seniors, and junior sizes. At gumawa tayo ng medyo kakaiba na isa guys, I mean tatlong piraso kasi para ito doon sa may MVP player, most valuable player. And this one is for the volleyball guys. Yan, yung engrave ng MVP nakalagay, saka yung parang pinaka ball niya mismo guys, yung shadow ng ball ng volleyball para ma-distinguish. Yan na yun guys. Ayun naman yung mga iba guys, this side guys. Okay, let's go. Ito may maingay, sige tuloy pa rin ang vlog. And this one is para doon sa may pinaka winner ng pageant, yung pinaka tatanghaling pageant winner, together yung mga iba pang plaque dyan guys. This is a wooden trophy. I made this DIY. This one yung pang volleyball guys, for the champion, naka-engrave. And this one guys, ito naman yung mga para sa mga guests, serves as a token. So till we meet again guys, my pass for M1 TV. Have a good day and hope you enjoy my video. Bye bye guys. Always subscribe and keep on watching M1 TV. Have a good day.
Rocky.